Alrighty folks, good evening. I've decided to move indoors because it's just getting a little bit too nippy out there for me. But let's take a look at your current radar picture right now. And you can see, let's take a look at the temperature right now. You can see right around Lothian, it is 26 degrees, so whatever is falling out there is indeed sticking. And you can see, let's take a look at radar right there, and you can see actually, let's just have a still image. Let's see, I'm trying to update it here. But you can see a pretty nice span setting up in between Blackstone through Richmond on up to the northern neck, and some heavier pockets of snow further east out towards, say, Williamsburg, West Point, Kilmarnock, out towards the bay, really kicking up out towards the bay as well. And even some snow down towards southeast Virginia. I know this shows pink, but all of this right here, this is snow. And down further south than that, due to the very strong returns that are coming in, reds, this is sleet. So keep that in mind. And there is still some heavy snow here. So it's like the back edge of this heavy snow band is lined up right along the Richmond metro area. So places like, say, Midlothian, Central Chesterfield County, downtown Richmond, east end of Richmond, Mechanicsville, Chester, maybe the Tri-Cities area. You guys are still seeing heavy snow. Not really moving much, though, which is good news for snow lovers. So not really moving too much. It's slowly progressing east, so we'll see this heavy snow band come to an end probably within the next couple of hours. But we'll still see some light to moderate snows in behind that. But there's actually a little bit more in behind that. Let's take a look at one of the other radar sites. Of course, I can't get from the radar site I was looking at. I can't get any radar imagery out of Roanoke. So I've just pulled up another radar site. Let's load this right here, and you can see even more snow coming in through Roanoke. So that could have an impact us. It just depends on how much of it can make over the mountains. We'll have to see what happens, and maybe so we might get another secondary burst of snow before it all is all said and done by the time midnight rolls around. Temperatures though really cold. Check out all these numbers though. Like 27 up in Farmville, 23 in Louisa, 28 up in Orange, 26 in Charlottesville, 21 up towards Stanton and Harrisonburg, those areas, 3 in Roanoke. But those teens already out in Western Virginia, and so we're in for a very cold night across the region. But you can take a look at this image of this comma head, very, very evident across as it moves across. And check out this signature too, this comma head right there as the upper level system moves through. Very impressive signature on radar. With snow stretching all the way up the East Coast, on up towards Boston, New York, Philly, DC, and also let's also take a look at the radar imagery though out of DC. Just what the heck, why not? Wait for it to load here. Come on. Alright, and you can see some very nice heavy snows too coming in out of DC. Temperatures in the 20s too. That actually, the temperatures this cold in the 20s and teens and all that, this is going to actually increase the snowfall ratios, which means the more powdery, dry snow translates to snow piling up quicker, which means higher snowfall totals. So this could come in, those areas like DC could come in at close to 8 inches. So very impressive for those up there. Still some light snow hanging around in Winchester. They picked up around 8 inches, forecasted 8 to 10 for them up there, so it looks like that might fall into place just fine. Still light snow is hanging around the valley, but should be coming close to an end pretty soon. There might be a few more snow showers in behind that, but other than that, I think they're done. So yeah, that's overall. Let's just put that radar into motion. Let's see. Let's refresh it. You can see that band is inching its way southward. So really not, again, like I reiterated earlier, not really earlier, not really moving much. So Let's see.
Supper.
So that's the whole deal with that.
What are we eating? Tacos! What is that, bean dip?
So, sorry about that. So basically, if you want, do you have any pictures, you know, you want to, yeah, taking a few pictures of the snow out there, you know, send some pictures in. Like my page, Virginia Weather Forecasting, and yeah, follow my page for snow updates. Alright, so let's just take one more look out there. And yep, a winter wonderland out there. So I do not, personally, for anybody out there is wondering about